From Forbes 30 Under 30 to Freedom magazine, singer-songwriter Karun has been in the spotlight since she kicked off her music career at 14, quickly gaining recognition as a solo artist and internationally acclaimed performer due to her eclectic twist of soul meets R&B. Hey girl.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm great. You're looking fabulous as
Thank
always.
Thank you so much. So are you.
Your snapback game is on point.
And you?
So you know what? The last time I saw you were 16.
Oh, dude.
And can you say grown ass? No? Okay, maybe not.
So,
I know.
Thanks. Yeah,
I know.
coming from you, it's thanks.
Let me tell you, you became a mom at the age I became a mom.
Yeah.
23.
Crazy.
You know, and let me remind you of backstage, Niger Night. This would be 2011.
Oh, wow.
You were such a child, Karen. And
Yeah.
Kamula at that time, when all of you had a thing, was very big. And you went to school and you had the whole, international experience out there. So how was it being an artist from Kenya, an African artist, all the way in the States, you're hustling and you're in school? How was that reception?
I don't know, it was really different from how it is when I perform in Kenya. Like, people were really receptive. My music and our music is very international, so it was really easy for people to just accept it and listen to it. It's like they understood it immediately.
And you're also from some sort of rebel. You don't do what people expect you to do, and I know you fought so hard to get out of that shell of what people thought you should be when you're in the group.
That's actually, the time in the States was purposeful. I had to get away from Nairobi just to grow, because I felt like when you're that famous and you're that young, it's like you almost can't make any mistakes. Like, Kenyans on Twitter are famous, infamous.
Oh my word, KOT.
For bringing people down in the most harshest way. So I just had to get away and just live and experiment as I could, and I felt like I could do that in the States. I felt the freedom to be myself when I was in America.
You're in the US, and then you came back with a gift for us, your little beautiful prince.
Oh,
Karen. You
came back with a gift.
Yes, because you blessed us. With your son.
Yeah, he's adorable.
So how did it feel?
It was insane because I was pregnant at the same time that Trump was being elected, and I wasn't really sure if I wanted to stay in school. It was a really crazy time, and that's what made me decide to go home. Obviously, people were like, stay in the States, give birth in the States. I was like, no, I need to be with my family. I need to be loved.
Were you scared?
I wasn't scared. I felt like it was the right time for me. I just didn't really know what the future held. And I was like, I know I want to keep doing music. I want to be a mom. I don't know what that's going to look like, but let's just do it. When you're pregnant, you have that fight.
Yeah, it's a different kind of fight.
I don't know, so I wasn't scared. You're just like,
you can more,
yes.
You more everyone down. So, roses.
Over your skin, let me be. Floating fingers over.
I can't have enough of it. Your facial expression, your hair, you have this
that gel
fierce
down hair. I've tried to do it again. It's not working.
Did you use all the gel?
All the gel. It was dope though. I felt really feminine and just sexy, in control. I felt strong. I felt in control also because I was co-directing with Ukweli. So that was a really fun experience, and I want to keep co-directing my videos.
And then there's this other power vibe that you have, the Glow song.
Yeah, Glow Up.
Yes, Glow Up. Yeah.
Hey, now, you could be my neighbor. Only we can save us. Sister love forever, forever. Say now, put me on your level.
You have all these fierce females around you. Why did you feel that, you had to have, that kind of expression, especially in these different women? I love the melanin in the song.
I didn't even realize that everybody's all the melanin was popping. Everyone had natural hair. Someone pointed that out to me. I was like, I guess that's just the kind of people I hang out with. Even the song wasn't so it was purposeful, but it wasn't this is going to be the next song that I release. It was just a vibe that I had in the studio. I was like, for once, I don't want to sing about guys. Let's sing about the girls.
Yeah.
And that's what came out in the video. The video was super, super intentional. I said that I wanted to be surrounded by women in the industry that I thought were doing really dope things, being unique, going against the grain, and diversifying the Nairobi scene.
Africa right now is hot. We
Yeah,
are the hottest thing right now. Our culture.
Time, I think.
A whole lot about time.
It's a really unique moment, I think, because Africans are everywhere. And
True.
and our music is I was thinking about it the other day. Like, a lot of diaspora live in the States now because of, like African Americans kind of shaped the music industry, and Africans right now are also just like booming. So
Like we're more confident in our culture, in how we express ourselves, in our dances. We don't need to spice it up, if you may, if you may say so. So,
but the dope thing is also in Nairobi, there's like a new renaissance of just like dope new artists, new wave that's popping up, and it's about time.
yeah, and you're part of the movement, so that's a big thing. And you're going for the homecoming.
Festival in
yes,
South Africa.
in
next
South Africa.
weekend.
How's
Yes.
that? How do you feel?
I feel great. I mean, I'm excited to play in South Africa. I have a song with a South African coming out soon.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to be there a lot more.
You don't want to say who?
Oh, Teleman. Teleman. It'll be out next week, you'll see.
Okay.
Teleman is dope.
Before we end, I want to say congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, for being on Forbes.
Oh, yeah.
30 and like that was a big achievement.
Thanks.
You also claimed your space in the music business production.
Right.
I see you very boldly calling out female producers on Twitter to come up and be more vocal. So congrats on that. How does that feel?
I mean, I just have to. It doesn't feel like anything. It just feels like me.
Oh yeah.
But I mean, that's how this year has been. It's just reaffirming. It's making me feel like what I'm doing is the right thing to be doing. So that just gives me a lot more confidence to keep going.
You've done a whole lot.